children, what we have learned yesterday? We have learned about the physical map. Map showing the relief feature of the earth such as mountain, plains, plateaus, river, seas and oceans, right? In this map, you will usually find the different part of the land color in green, yellow or brown. Actually, they show the variety of landform such as mountain, plains and plateaus. Any doubt in the physical map? No. The next topic what we have covered? Measuring the height of a land. So, all the heights on the land are calculated from the sea level. Since all the seas in the world are connected to each other, or since all the seas in the world are connected to each other, sea level are over the world is taken roughly the same. In the physical map, maps help us to identify the boundaries of a country, deposit of mineral wealth, water resources, vegetation, population, etc. Any doubt in these two topics, physical map and measuring the height of a land? No doubts. Now let us go for a new topic. A topic name is showing the height on a map. Showing the height on a map. Look at the map of Nipur village. This is a map of Nipur village. This is a map of Nipur village. Shows the three height zone. It is showing the three height zone. Green one, orange one and the brown one. If you will take the green one, the first area is between 0 to 50. The first, it is divided into the map shows three zones. What are the three zones there? The three height zones. Height zones. Yes. The first one is 0 to 50 meter. The second is 51 to 100 and the third is 101 to 150 meter. So the first one is use of blue color. Which color is used here? It is a blue color. 51 to 100, it has used the brown color. And the 101 to 150 is used the dark color. So this is the map of the Nipur village and the map is divided into three height zone. The first zone is from 0 to 50 meter and the second zone is 51 to 100 meter and the third zone is from 101 to 150 meters. The first zone which is there 0 to 50 meters is represented with the color blue. We are using the blue color. This part is 0 to 50. This part is 0 to 50. The next one is 51 to 100 which is use the brown color. Isn't it? So this is the showing the height of a map. So how many height zones are there? There are the three height zones. The first is the area between 0 meter to 50 meter. The second area between 51 meter to 100 meter. Finally, the area which are between 101 to 150 meter. Shown in the three different colors. Any doubt in that? No. Shall we go for the next lesson? Next, the next one is the contour line. The next topic is a contour lines. So the next topic is our contour lines. Can anyone tell what are the contour line? A line joining the place with the equal height. A line joining the place with the equal height. That is called contour line. Let us write. The lines, yes, a line joining the place with the equal height. Very good. Next, the next one is counter lines are shown in irregular shape. It is in the contour line, they don't have a particular shape. It is an irregular shape depending upon the land form. The mountain is same. For example, the shape of the mountain is different. Yes. Then you will take the plains. Plains are totally different. Then you will take the plains. These are the example. This is a mountain, right? This is a plateau. This is the plains. So here the example is counter line are shown irregular shape. All the three landforms having the same shape? No. So it having the irregular shape depending upon the landform. These lines cannot be cut each other. These lines cannot be cut each other. These lines cannot be cut each other. The distance between the counter line will depend upon the land space. The distance between the two contour lines will depend upon the land space. If the land has a step climb, then the counter line will be reach each other. Reach each other. Any doubt? Just you are going to remember in the counter line, a line joining the place with the equal height. Counter lines are shown irregular shape depending upon the landform. This line connect and cut each other. The distance between two contour lines will depend upon the land space. If the land have a step climb, then the center lines will be reach each other. Any doubt in this? No. So in this lesson we have completed in this class. What is the lesson name? Reading of maps and different kind. The showing of the height. So we have took the example of Nipur village and the showing of the height. There are the three height zone. What are the three height zone? The first area between 0 meter to 50 meters. Second area is between 51 meter to 100 meter. Finally area between 101 meter to 150 meter. So here we are using the different color to identify the landform. Yes, clear? Yes. Now next we have learn about the counter lines. What are counter line? Line joining the place with the equal height. Counter lines are shown in irregular shape. Just now I told you there is an irregular shape depending upon the landform. This line cannot cut each other. The distance between the two contour line will depend upon the land space. If the land has a step climbing, then the center line will be reach each other. Yes? So let us take the homework. The homework is, what is contour line? What are the three zones of height? What are the colors are used in the three zones? Yes, and you are going to draw a neatly diagram of showing the height on a map. Yes, over.